Welcome to our comprehensive market review. Today, we delve into the bifurcated landscape of global and Indian markets, analyzing key structural shifts. We observe a period defined by both the exuberance of technological innovation and the cautious recalibration of broader macro risks. Our focus remains on identifying durable trends and assessing where capital deployment offers optimal risk-adjusted returns, moving beyond short-term noise to long-term structural value. Globally, the artificial intelligence sector is experiencing significant volatility, evidenced by a recent widespread sell-off in AI-related equities. This trend has also impacted adjacent digital assets, with Bitcoin notably falling to $62,600 as investors strategically trim risk exposure. The first earnings test for Cerebras, while showcasing revenue growth, highlights persistent profitability challenges, signaling that the pathway to sustainable returns in this nascent sector remains complex. This environment warrants trim consideration for positions showing extreme near-term overbought cycles or facing material revaluations. The AI sector's growing pains are not confined to the US. Korea's intensified regulatory scrutiny on AI, while posing short-term headwinds for local players like SK Hynix, could inadvertently position India as a beneficiary in the longer term. As the global supply chain for AI intellectual property and services seeks diversification, India's robust IT talent pool and policy support may attract increased investment. However, market accessibility hurdles persist, as seen with MSCI's decision to keep South Korea in the Emerging Market Index. These macro shifts are creating a nuanced landscape for tech investment. In the broader global macro environment, inflationary pressures and the response from central banks remain a critical determinant. The Bank of Japan's policymakers are increasingly advocating for faster rate hikes, reflecting mounting inflation risks. This hawkish sentiment ripples through commodity markets, with gold prices notably falling by 2,200 rupees per 10 grams and silver tanking by 3,300 rupees per kilogram. Rate hike fears are currently outweighing the dampening effect of falling oil prices, urging a cautious approach and trim consideration for overextended positions in precious metals. Geopolitical dynamics continue to exert significant influence, particularly on global energy and trade routes. The Strait of Hormuz, a critical choke point, has seen an evacuation plan initiated for ships stranded in the Persian Gulf, impacting maritime logistics. Concurrently, oil tanker booking rates in the Gulf surged to 897% of benchmark freight rates, signaling acute supply chain stress. Furthermore, China's move to throttle key mineral exports to Japan underscores increasing weaponization of trade, adding layers of complexity to global supply chains and commodity markets. Investors should factor in these developments when assessing energy-related exposures. Innovation continues its relentless march, with companies like Meta announcing new smart glasses. This continuous push into wearables and augmented reality reflects a long-term strategic pivot towards immersive digital experiences. Simultaneously, SoftBank's pursuit of a stake in Japan's top utility to power its AI ambitions highlights the substantial energy requirements of future AI infrastructure. These structural technology shifts, while exciting, also raise questions about sustainable energy grids and long-term cost implications for technology adoption. These trends merit continued breakout watch for firms positioned to capitalize on these converging vectors. Shifting focus to India, the nation's infrastructure push remains a cornerstone of its growth narrative. The Adani Group, in particular, is positioned to significantly benefit from this drive, with specific entities under breakout watch for potential upside. Chairman Gautam Adani's address at the recent AGM reaffirmed their commitment to large-scale infrastructure development. Concurrently, the Shapoorji Pallonji Group's efforts to secure a fresh bond extension underscore the ongoing capital requirements within the infrastructure space, while IRFC's recent OFS highlights liquidity management and strategic divestments within public sector undertakings. This sector presents compelling long-term structural investment opportunities. The Vedant Group presents a complex yet intriguing investment profile. While Vedant Power, Oil and Gas shares have seen declines, Vedant Aluminium and Iron and Steel segments have experienced notable gains. This internal divergence highlights the diversified nature of the conglomerate. Analyst Ambarish Baliga suggests that while a couple more tranches of promoter-driven selling may occur, the stock is likely to bounce back in the near term. Furthermore, Vedant is among 5 F&O stocks seeing a high increase in futures open interest, indicating active institutional positioning. CLSA initiating an outperform call on Vedant Aluminium with 18% upside potential suggests specific segments merit breakout watch. India's textile industry is poised for substantial long-term growth, driven by a global sourcing shift that gathers pace. Siddharth Khemka's analysis underscores this thematic strength. Motilal Oswal's initiation of coverage on KPR Mill and 7 other textile stocks, projecting up to 43% upside, signals a broader recognition of this sector's potential. This shift represents a structural opportunity for Indian manufacturers to capture a larger share of the global textile market. We identify KPR Mill and similar entities within the textile value chain as meriting breakout watch given these fundamental tailwinds. The Indian financial sector continues to demonstrate resilience and growth, particularly driven by the accelerating SIP boom. JP Morgan has identified Angel One, CAMS, and ICICI AMC as preferred bets to capitalize on this structural trend of increasing retail participation in capital markets. Furthermore, the insurance behemoth LIC recently announced a 10 rupees dividend, signaling financial health. While the IPO market sees mixed performance, with Waterways Leisure Tourism IPO signaling a flat debut and Advait Jewels IPO indicating strong listing gains, these activities underscore robust capital market engagement. LIC Housing Finance, Angel One, and CAMS are positioned for continued growth and warrant breakout watch. India's IT sector is navigating a complex period marked by significant corrections. 10 major IT stocks, including TCS and Infosys, have plunged by up to 38% in 2026. This contraction is partly attributed to global AI integration strategies and the reallocation of capital within tech. Despite this, the long-term outlook for Indian tech remains compelling, with some analysts suggesting India could benefit from a healthy correction in the global AI space, attracting new opportunities. Companies like InfoEdge are showing bullish RSI upswings, indicating selective strength. We advise trim consideration for heavily exposed positions but also breakout watch for companies demonstrating adaptive AI integration strategies. Broader market indices reflect ongoing momentum, with Sensex surging over 500 points and Nifty above 23,900. Trend shares have notably surged 4%, indicating strong consumer discretionary demand. Suzlon Energy, despite FII backing, sits 15% below its 52-week high, raising questions about its 2.0 roadmap for millions of investors, meriting breakout watch if their strategic initiatives gain traction. Bajaj Auto shares saw a 2% fall due to a ransomware attack, reminding investors of operational risks. Other key companies like Apollo Hospital, Britannia, HUL, and JSW Steel are showcasing varied performance, underscoring the importance of granular, company-specific analysis in the current environment. In conclusion, the global investment landscape is characterized by a delicate balance. While the US stock market sees analysts like Barclays and Stifel lifting S&P 500 year-end targets due to stronger earnings outlooks, and significant wealth transfer to the next generation shaping future consumption, concerns like factory job cuts indicate underlying economic anxieties. India's structural growth narrative in infrastructure, textiles, and financial inclusion provides a compelling counterpoint to global tech volatility and macro headwinds. Strategic investors must remain agile, employing institutional risk assessment to navigate these dual market realities. This necessitates a diversified portfolio with carefully selected exposures, identifying areas for both breakout watch and trim consideration based on evolving market intelligence.